Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. Jamaica Public Service Company is reporting a net loss of US $13.4 million for the final quarter of last year, largely due to the impact of Hurricane Melissa on its operations. The Light and Power Company says revenue for the period was US $239.4 million. JPS says the damage and disruption caused by Hurricane Melissa significantly affected its financial performance during the quarter. Companies listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange saw strategic shifts in business models to protect growth and profits. First, Jamaica Teas Limited recently detailed its first quarter financial results for the period ending December 2025 during a virtual investor briefing hosted by Mayberry Investments Limited. For the quarter ending December 2025, the group reported an overall net loss of $21.6 million, impacted heavily by unrealized losses in its investment subsidiary, QWI Investments, and profit attributable to shareholders remained positive at $3.46 million. Up next, Montego Bay-based hotels and wholesale food and spirits distributor Caribbean Producers Jamaica (CPJ) made a strategic pivot into retail distribution earlier in 2025, which insulated the business from the softness of the hospitality sector in the wake of Hurricane Melissa. Pre-tax closed at US $11.85 million, while net profit attributable to shareholders amounted to US $8.24 million during the half year ended December 31, 2025. The impact of Hurricane Melissa on Jamaica's tourism sector, from which CPJ receives most of its business, has been significant, with approximately 40% of hotel rooms temporarily closed after the October 28, 2025 storm as properties undergo reconstruction and renovation. Fuel prices are rising this week as global markets react to the impact of the US-Israel war with Iran. The following are the billing prices that will become effective on Thursday, March 12, 2026. With increases of $4.50 per liter, 87 gasoline will be sold at $158.88 per liter. 90 gasoline will be sold at $166.32 per liter. Automotive diesel oil will be sold at $171.25 per liter, and ultra low sulfur diesel will be sold at $178. Kerosene is up by $4.50 to $160.64 per liter. In the meantime, propane cooking gas will go up by $3.06 to sell for $73.99, while butane will move up by $3.06 to sell for $83.21 per liter. As always, dealers and marketing companies will add their respective margin to determine retail prices. For the trading period of March 11, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited with 8,901,387 units, representing 32.24% of market sales activities. Wigton Energy Limited with 3,513,876 units, representing 12.73% of market sales activity. Trans Jamaica Highway Limited shares with 2,288,478 units, representing 8.29% of market sales activity. Investor activity remained concentrated in transportation, media, and solar energy plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for March 11, 2026. Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $157.87 and buying at $155.99. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by $1.02 transaction spread. The Canadian dollar sold for $115.53 and was bought for $116.55. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $8.01 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $206.29 and was bought for $214.30. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, retirement is not simply about money. It is about freedom. Freedom to rest, freedom to pursue passions, freedom to enjoy the life you spent decades building. Yet many people unknowingly weaken that future because they carry high interest debt longer than necessary. A well-managed credit profile can open doors to lower interest rates, smarter refinancing options, and financial flexibility. In practical terms, that means more room in your budget to continue contributing to retirement savings, even while managing today's responsibilities. Your credit report becomes a tool that helps protect your future self. In our funded and focused feature, in setting up your entrepreneurship model in this age of artificial intelligence, understanding the different tech stacks helps you spend wisely. We previously reviewed a US $60 a month stack for solopreneurs. Now let's review what we will call the Startup Founder Stack with an estimated cost of US $400 to $1,571 per month for a team of up to 10 persons. The tools we will discuss are best for growing your business, your tech startup, businesses raising capital. Now this startup helps sales teams find customers, teams collaborate faster, developers build products faster, founders prepare for investors, and financial forecasting. So for team knowledge and collaboration, consider Notion.com, which organizes company knowledge, project plans, and documentation. For sales automation, consider Apollo.io to find leads, build outreach lists, and manage sales pipelines. For financial forecasting, consider Fathom.com that creates clear financial projections for founders and investors. And when you need an investor pitch development tool, consider Beautiful.ai, which helps build professional investor pitch decks quickly. And for workflow automation, consider Make.com, which automates internal processes across apps. Note that the most successful companies are using AI. They're not chasing every tool. Instead, they focus on building a simple stack that supports their business goals. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep building forward. See you soon.